Are you ready to start your investing journey but don't know where to begin? In this video, I'm going to break down how to invest in stocks, step by step, and give you a simple guide to picking the best stocks for beginners. Whether you're looking to grow your wealth or achieve financial freedom, this guide will set you on the right path. So, let's dive in. So, first things first. What is stock investing? Investing in stocks means buying a small piece of a company. When you own a stock, you're essentially a shareholder, which means you can benefit from the company's growth in two ways: through capital appreciation, when the stock price goes up, and dividends, profit sharing from the company. But remember, the stock market can go up and down, so understanding how it works is key to long-term success. Remember, use reliable sources and always look for accurate information. It's important to dig deep and understand the companies you're interested in. Why should you invest in stocks? Here are 3 key reasons. Beating inflation. Investing helps your money grow faster than inflation, so you don't lose purchasing power over time. Wealth building. Stocks have historically provided better returns than savings accounts over the long term. Passive income. Many stocks pay dividends, which can become a steady income stream. All right, let's get practical. Here's how you can start investing today. Step 1. Set your investing goals. Are you investing for retirement, buying a home, or just looking to grow wealth? Define your goals first. Step 2. Choose a brokerage account. Platforms like Easy Equities, Robinhood, or E-Trade make it easy for beginners to buy and sell stocks. Step 3. Research and pick your stocks. When selecting stocks, consider the company's growth potential, its financial health, and industry trends. Step 4. Diversify your portfolio. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversify by investing in different industries and sectors to reduce risk. Step 5. Start small and stay consistent. Invest a small amount regularly rather than trying to time the market. This strategy is called dollar cost averaging. Now, how do you actually pick the best stocks? Keep these factors in mind. Company fundamentals. Check their earnings, revenue growth, and debt levels. Industry trends. Is the industry growing? Think of tech, healthcare, and renewable energy. Valuation metrics. Look at metrics like the PE ratio and price-to-book value to avoid overpaying. Competitor analysis. Compare the company to its competitors to see how it stands out. Before you start investing, avoid these common mistakes. Emotional investing. Don't let fear or greed drive your decisions. Lack of research. Always do your due diligence before buying any stock. Trying to time the market. Invest consistently instead of waiting for the perfect moment. So, now that you know how to invest in stocks and pick the best ones, it's time to take action. Comment below which stock you're planning to invest in first. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more investing tips. Thanks for watching, and happy investing!